cracked open my D&D Monster Manual because it's time to draw some monsters. I don't actually play Dungeons & Dragons, but I've been D&D adjacent for a couple of years. Before I started creating artwork, I had painted miniature figurines. I actually started playing a board game called Scythe with my family, and then it led into Gloomhaven and Frosthaven eventually. And these tabletop games have these little miniature figures to play with. Once I learned I could paint them, a new hobby was born. I'll give you a little look here at my dormant Instagram account that's called Minis Break Free. And this was a few years of my intense fun hobbying. I would paint the minis, and then I was into photography too and would photograph them with little props, make up little stories about them. It eventually led into creating dioramas for them. And I did that for a couple of years before the dioramas started taking over my living space, and I just was ready to move on, and I tried a drawing class. And then my sketchbook scheming obsession began. So I would pour through the D&D Monster Manual to come up with some cool lore for the different types of monsters that I could use in my little Instagram posts. According to the Monster Manual, a gargoyle lurks among masonry and ruins, as still as any stone sculpture, and delights in the terror it creates when it breaks free from its suspended pose, as well as the pain it inflicts on its victims. Next up, it's time to release the kraken. Quoting from the Monster Manual, the kraken is a primeval force that obliterates the greatest achievements of civilization as if they were castles in the sand. Its devastating attacks can destroy ocean trade and halt communication between coastal cities. Galleons and warships vanish when its tentacles uncoil from the deep, the kraken breaking their masts like kindling before drawing down ships and crew. It was really fun to dig into some monster lore again, and it feels like I'm going full circle with these hobbies. I started with green fountain pen ink, and now I'm putting on a light wash of red ink. green fountain pen ink was a little bit water soluble, so I didn't really mind that it bled a little bit here and there. After I finished that layer, I went in with some colored pencil and some watercolor, and I filled in the background, as you see, with some black acrylic. These two guys, although very different in size and power, had a good time hanging out with each other for the afternoon. They're both chaotic evil after all, so they had a lot of good stories to share. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like or comment. I'd love to know if you played D&D or any role-playing games, or if you like monsters.